In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to download or apply critical settings inside Roblox. So in case you were getting this error over here, which says failed to download or apply critical settings, please check your internet connection, error info, and then some HTTP errors and SSL connect fails. What you want to do is first close this down, so close down the error, and then we're going to proceed to the next step. Now, you first want to go inside your task manager on your computer, which can be done by hovering over your taskbar anywhere where there's empty space, right-clicking on it and pressing Task Manager. In here, you simply want to type in Roblox up top, and if there's anything related to Roblox over here, you want to shut it down. And the way you do this is by clicking on each and every single instance of Roblox in here, clicking on it and pressing End Task up here. So it will say End Task just like this, press it and that's it. So simply find everything that's related to Roblox in here, I don't have anything right now, and then shut it down. Once you've done this, we can proceed to the next step. You want to go to Windows Search down here and type in Run. You want to open in this Run, there we go, and you want to type in %local app data %. Now once you do this, press OK, and it will open up this folder. In here, you want to look for the Roblox folder, should be under R, so just scroll down until you see Roblox, there we go, it's over here. Simply open up this folder, and then go into Versions. It's this folder over here, Versions. In here, you will see a bunch of different versions that have different code names over here. What you want to do is hover over all of these versions, and then right-click, and then you want to click delete up here, which is this delete button. You can also find it over here. Click delete, and then it will start deleting everything in this folder. So these are all the previous versions you've had of your Roblox on your computer. Then close this down, go back to your Roblox home screen, so roblox.com/home, and then find any experience or any game you would like to play. It doesn't really matter. Click on one, and then press this play button over here, and then Roblox, as you can see, you have to click open URL Roblox protocol. This will kind of notice that you don't have Roblox on your computer because we just erased all the previous versions. What you want to do is click download and install Roblox, and that's it. The newest and freshest version of Roblox will install onto your computer, and then once that's done, you'll be able to play the game again as you were once able to. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.